Alright, in this example, there is a solenoid, and we're told the current and the induced EMF and then the average flux at one particular moment. And we're also told the rate at which the current is changing with time. And we want to know how many turns the solenoid has. So we look at this equation here, because this is sort of like defining what the inductance is. And we have these values that relate to what's going on at one particular moment. So our flux and our current. But what we're missing here is the inductance. So we can go back to our rewritten Faraday's law in terms of inductance, and we know what the EMF is at the particular matching moment for the current, and we know what the rate of change of the current is with time, so that allows us to find the self-inductance that we can then use to find the number of turns.